The cool thing about high school and being in the world of education is that you help kids prepare for that next transition. Kids preparing to transition into their adulthood life. The challenge we face here at the high school is how do we engage students, all students. Last year in the state of Ohio alone, 23,000 adolescents dropped out of high school. While dropout rates in Vermilion may not be a big problem, how many of our students are walking away from Vermilion High School without that next plan, without an idea of how to transition into their adulthood life? Vermilion High School is very good preparing our students for college, but what about those students who want to go right into the workforce? Our idea and our solution that we've come up with is actually produced by ACT. ACT has come up with a work readiness system. The Work Keys assessment measures students' abilities and also for the job profile that they choose. How the system would work is that ACT has a job profiling system. So they have 1.2 million jobs on file. A student will come into our program and take a pre-assessment. This assessment shows their current skill levels. What we will do then at that point is that we will help the student fill in those skill gaps. This is the three-step process of the work readiness system. The training that the students will go through is called the Key Train curriculum. Courses, they'll be tested in reading for information, applied mathematics, and locating information. They'll also be going through what's called a soft skills curriculum, which will teach them about career skills. All of this is to earn not only a high school diploma, but also a National Career Readiness Certificate. The NCRC has 4 different levels. A student scoring higher on the test can earn the different levels that you see on the screen. So a student, when they graduate, they will go to an employer and say, not only do I have a high school diploma, but I also have a portable, certifiable skill that I am cognitively ready for the jobs that you are offering. This will give our students a leg up in the competition. The biggest benefit to our program, we believe, will be our community connections. The community connections that we will make with such places as the North Coast Job Connection Store, Kelly Services out of Erie County, and the Spherion Staffing Service out of Lorain County. The North Coast Job Connection is that bridge program. They have their hands on the pulse of what's going out in the community. What jobs are there available for our students? We will connect with them so they can provide that financial need. They can provide that directions that our students will need, that they will be able to be trained for a specific job. So when they are done with that training, they will have employment. Other connections that we will be reaching out is with Lorain County Community College. We're currently in meetings with them to offer our students an opportunity to participate in their certificate programs while they're still in high school. So if a student is interested in CNC machining, if a student is interested in welding, we are partnering with Lorain County Community College to get that kid, that child, that experience before they graduate high school. We're also reaching out to the EHOBY Adult Career Center as well as Lorain County JVS. We will also be reaching out to the unions that are around town, the Mason unions, the plumbing, the carpentry, reaching out to these people and asking them to sponsor our students in apprenticeship programs. The other thing that this will help us with using the Key Train system is the MOS, Military Occupational System. When a student takes the ASVAB, they will be well prepared to take that test by going through this schooling.